Read the disclaimer carefully. Hello guys, today we will show you some live offers from the United States. If you want, you can easily take these. If you try a little, if you are lucky, you can also get a free offer. This is my Xpadbuild account. Let's go to the search box and see what offers there are. I wrote in the search box United States and search results. These are good United States offers. You can easily take it if you want. There are so many offers for USA people. If you are a non-USA person, this is not for you. You can see the offer according to your country and try to take it. The only country given here is the United States. So it can be taken by the people of the United States. But there is nothing wrong with the live offer. You can take it if you want. And not saying that if you get it you may or may not get it, but the chances of getting it are much higher. You can try it for free. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel and follow our Twitter account to get the latest United States live offers like this. Hope you find something good and that is what you need for free. Many thanks for watching the video. Please like our video. Stay well.